Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Anya Kumar. Today we are going to cover some important topic from NET JRF syllabus from paper 1, especially from unit 9. This will help you prepare for exam deepen understanding of the syllabus and the chapter. Let's dive in. This chapter belongs to people, environment, and people development and in first pollution. A negative change in water, air, water, soil, noise, radioactive soil. Importance of note plants. Earth is our global heart. Millennium Development Goals, 8 goals, 191 member, 2000 by 2015 by on Millennium Summit to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality and women improvement, reduce child mortality, improve mortal health, combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases to ensure environmental sustainability, development a goal partnership for development uneven progress by 2013 MDGC was replaced by SDGC Sustainable Development Goal in 2016. They are 17 in number. Types of soil: alluvial, red, lateral, regular, desert, mountain. Layers of atmosphere: ectosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere, meosphere, stratosphere, stratosphere. Surface of earth. Major of water pollution in India. Agriculture. Sagar is a mobile app for quality check by the Ministry of Earth and Science. Metals having density more than 5 times of water are called heavy metal. Natural resources, energy resources, coal, petroleum, wind, natural gases, solar energy, so biomass, hydropower, thermal, nucleus, ocean, tidal. Mineral resources: soil, iron, manganese, bauxite, copper, zinc, gold, silver, limestone, phosphate. Forest resource: food, medicine, shelter, fuel, wood, timber, honey, spices, oxygen. Pollutant: primary, directly from source either naturally or manually. CO2, SO2, NO2, CFC, LED, lead, etc. Second, a result of chemical reaction between primary sources and and the environment, add rain, smog, pan, etc. Sustainable Development Goal: no poverty, no hunger, good health and well-being of people, quantity and equal education, gender equality and human empowerment, clean water, sustainable, affordable and clean energy, decent work in economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, reductive in quality among countries, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and a strong institution partnership for all the goals. All the countries have to do action no matter how developed is agenda 2020 transforming our world. Niti Aayog attends SDGC in India. Haryana becomes the first state to have SDGC focused budget in 2020. Indoor air pollution caused by inefficient burning of fuels during cooking or heating, such as cow dung or agriculture or poor ventilation. This is the most harmful for human health. International Institute Year Purpose Ramsar Convention 1971 Wetland Conserve UNICEF overall view and on every environmental issue on environment program 1972 coordinate UN's environmental program cities 1976 1976 International Trade of Flora and Fauna Nairobi Declaration 10th anniversary of Stockholm Convention Vienna Convention 1985 1985 India 1991 Protection of Ozone Layer The Brundtland Report 1983 Idea of a Sustainable Development IPCC 1988 Established of WMO and UNEP Montreal Protocol 1987 Reduction of Ozone Depletion Substances Multilateral Fund 1991 under Montreal Protocol to help developing countries Kigali Agreement 2016 8th Amendment of Montreal Protocol, Earth Summit 1992, Rio Summit, Environment Protection, Kyoto Protocol 1994, Emission of Greenhouse Gases, Paris Agreement 2015, Emission of Greenhouse Gases, UNFCCC 1992, Kyoto Protocol was negotiated. RIO 5 1997 to check progress of RIO Summit Earth Summit of 1992 RIO 5 10 2002 RIO plus 20 2012 UNICED 1994 Combat Desertification through Action Plan Lima Climate Change Conference to limit the global temperature increase by 2030 to 2 degrees Celsius. Marquez Agreement 2016 Action COP or Agriculture COP 2090 will replace crypto protocol. Development and Environment Millennium Development Goal At the beginning of the 12th century, world leaders held a meeting at the UN to provide a structure and vision to combat poverty in various dimensions that was translated into 8 Millennium Development Goal MDGC. The MDG framework has guided development work across the world for the past 15 years. All 191 United Nations members at that times and 22 national organizations committed to assist each other for achieving the following development goal to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality and empower women, reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases, ensure environmental sustainability, global partnership of development, key millennium development goals achievement. More than 1 billion people have been lifted out of extreme poverty, child mortality dropped by more than half, the murder of 2 out of school children has dropped by more than half. HIV/AIDS infection fell by almost 40%. From MDGs to Sustainable Development Goals were concentrate, specific, measurable, and therefore helped in establishing some priority area of focus in international development, but that was also one of their biggest criticism, and as they had left out some equally important area. Sustainable development goals. Sustainable development is the development that meets the requirement of present without considering the future generation or to meet their own needs. It is established on the three pillars of sustainability: economic, environmental, and social sustainability. The UN General Assembly on its 70th session adopted in Sustainable Development Goals SDGC with 17 goals, 169 target. It comes into power from 1st January 2016, having 2030 and its deadline to reach the target through it has not legally crucial. It gave prospectus to the country to reorient their domestic spending during the next 15 years. The country and envisioned to own sustainable development policies, plan and programs. They would be accountable for executing the goals and targets and study at the national level, which demands quality, availability, and timely data. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals are as follows: no poverty, no hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender education, clean water, sustainable, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequality, sustainable system and communities, sustainable consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and a strong institution partnership for the goal. In India, Prime Minister H. Narendra Modi with his high-level steering committee associated study and purity of national indicator framework NIF to observe this sustainable development of SDGC, human and environment interaction. Environment and people are interrelated. The environment provided us with food, water, fuel, medicine, building material through science and technology have developed and become of that we have added a lot, but it also presented pollution and damage of the environment. The result of this is also on human beings like health related issue and social economic development. Anthropogenic activity: any human practices which have the capability of affect the surrounding regionally in addition to globally are taken into consideration as anthropogenic activity. Human beings have from an integral part of the environment and have the greatest ecological footprint. We have resourcefully constructed all aspects of earthly life. This has influenced human evolution from the very first human ancestor to our modern day shapes and needs. We have come to a long way through nearly 2 million years of evolution, from advance in man's social behavior to accomplishing new feats in various fields. We always strive to provide a better standard of living for civilization. However, humans are very much a part of environment we live in, and our mostly well-intended action have far-reaching side effect on the entire ecosystem environment. Anthropogenic impact refer to the changes to biophysical environment and the ecosystem, biodiversity and natural resources caused directly or indirectly by human modifying the environment to fit the needs of society is causing several effects including global warming, environmental degradation such as ocean acidification, mass extraction and biodiversity loss, ecological crisis, and ecological collapse. Some human activity that cause damage there directly or indirectly to the environment on the global scale include population growth, overconsumption, overexploitation, pollution and deforestation. Some of the problems include global warming and biodiversity loss have been proposed as representing catastrophic risks to the survival of human species. Reason for changes. The reason for the changes in environment primarily constitutes to the following facts that have made an adverse effect on it: the increasing human population, the modification of agriculture, domesticated animals and genetics, deforestation, environment pollution, global warming and climate changes. Anthropogenic activities that affect the environment, deforestation मतलब दोबारा वन रोपण. Deforestation refer to the cleaning of tree from the forest, which is then converted into non-forest use. Deforestation can include forest land being turned into farmland, ranches, or for public usage, and urbanization, water pollution, the presence of an excessive amount of toxin in water body is referred to as water pollution. Polluted water from large scale factories, adequate sanitation facility and numerous human action along water sources have facilitated water contamination to a great degree. Air pollution. The presence of an excessive amount of toxin in the air is referred as air pollution. Over pollution has caused a great deal of air pollution, especially due to the use of vehicle transport. Overuse of harmful pesticide and fertilizer. With the increase in population, there is also rise of food production. To add this production, however, crops are produced through the use of toxic fertilizer and have extremely poor nutrition value or to satisfy the demand food security. The harmful pesticides greatly contaminate the soil. Urbanization. Urbanization refers to the increasing number of people who reside in city. Urbanization has also contributed to a major transition and disparity in our ecological environment. Global warming refers to a rapid rise in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century, mainly due to greenhouse gases released by people burning fossil fuel necessary for industrialization. It is seen as a consequence of an increase in Earth's temperature due to greenhouse effect and connected human action. Ozone layer depletion. The three oxygen atoms make up an ozone ring. Ozone play a critical function in the various ambient layer of atmosphere. UV rays are emitted by the sun, causing harm of animal, especially skin cancer in humans, and hence are harm. Over the years, however, this defensive layer has been eroding across the world. The dramatic depletion was discovered back in the 1980 due to CFC chlorofluorocarbon used in refrigerators and combustion. Environmental issue. The presence of harmful substances harm the environmental and human health. It is known as pollution and it causes different environmental issues. It can appear in diverse forms such as air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution direct to addition to pollution into the air that harms to human beings and the planet as a whole. Origins of air pollution. The air pollution accumulated in the atmosphere by the following resources: automobile, electrical power plant, industrial process heating plant. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of pollutants in water bodies like lake, river, ocean, aquifer, and groundwater by very often by human activity, which leads to harmful effects. Origin of water pollution, natural sources. These contain decomposition of plants and animals, volcanic eruption, coastal cliff erosion, landslide, and soil erosion. Anthropogenic source. These contains industry, urban agriculture, and cultural sources. Water pollution. Industrial pollutants contains heavy metal, boron, arsenic, zinc, lead, mercury. Agriculture pollutant, insecticide, pesticide, chemical fertilizer, weeds, plant remain. Natural pollution, volcanic dust, debris generated by landslide and decomposed organic matter. Physical pollution, oil, grease, dissolved and suspended solids, and volcanic dust. Effects of water pollution: die aquatic animal irrigation by pooled water impact plant resulting in yellowish coloration and defoliation. Tempest of food chain. Diseases like hepatitis, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, diarrhea, and skin disease. Land pollution. Land pollution is deterioration of the earth land surface directly or indirectly as a consequence of man activity. Origins of land pollution, agricultural sources. It includes waste created by crops, animal manure and farm residue, chemical leftover from all pesticide, fertilizer and insecticide, usage. The residual matter that stay after solid fuels and burn is known as acid. Uh, Two kinds of acid are the bottom ash is the residue from burnt metal and glass waste and it is non-biodegradable. The second kind of ash is fly ash. It is the ash that is interpreted by filters in the chimney and incinerators. Incinerators. Mining source. It contains underground wastage piles of coral refuge and happens of slug. Industrial source. These contains paint, chemical, metal and aluminum pesticide. Sewage treatment. It contains biomass sludge and settled solids. Household waste such as glass, metal, cloth, plastic, wood, paper, and so on. Deforestation. The leads of soil erosion, desertification, and land degradation. Chemical waste from chemical industry and other industries that are deposited into landfills. Effect of land pollution. Hazard chemicals can kill the living organism in the soil. The action of landfill mining and industry are destructive to vegetation. It may drive arsenic poisoning. It can also induce liver, skin, heart cancer, and neurological damage. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is an unwanted sound or unpleasant sound which creates discomfort in the ears. Noise is thought to be environmental pollution. Origin of noise pollution device like TV, loudspeaker, grinder, food mixture, dryer, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, cooler and air condition. TV is not a noise pollution source, but we can left this. Sound from palace or worship practices, discuss and other social events, industrial and commercial activities, printing process, building sites and manufacturing industry, sound of aeroplane flying over houses, train over the ground and underground train, vehicle on road, effect of noise pollution, but this time less noise pollution vehicle are there. Effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution may lead to many issues such as hearing loss, sleeping disruption, stress related illness, speech interference, and loss productivity. Climate change. As per United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, climate change means a change in the earth or climate that is attributed directly or indirectly to human activity, which alter the composition of the atmosphere. The variation of periodical shift in weather condition over a space and time resulting in climate change may also have defined as climate change. Climate may change gradually or rapidly partly or distractly, short term or long term, over a local, regional, global state, depending on the piece of causal factor. Climate change is prominent in the form of a rise of the global temperature, a decrease in the snow cover on glacier, a reduction in Arctic sea ice cover, warming of ocean water, the rising sea level of the ocean, increase in the event of the forest fire around the world, extreme weather events such as excessive participation, food earthquakes, tsunami, high winds, hail, thousand storm, thunderstorm, downburst, tornadoes, torn- tornadoes, water ponds, typical cyclone. Causes of climate change: improve greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a warming that results when the atmosphere traps heat radiation from earth toward space. Gases that donate to the greenhouse effect include nitrogen oxide NO2, carbon dioxide CO2, water vapor H2O, methane CH4, chlorofluorocarbon CFCH. Burning of fossil fuel, it has raised the concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide CO2. Industrial activity. These actions have increased atmospheric carbon dioxide level from 280 parts per million to 400 parts per million in the last 150 years. Impact of climate change. Our planet Earth is experiencing some significant changes due to variation in climate conditions. Some significant impacts of climate change are apparent below. Increases risk of extreme weather events, increased risks of forest fire, increased risks of floods, increased risks of drought, increased risks of disease and illness, increased economic loss caused due to extreme weather event, a rise in a sea level, the surge in global temperature, a threat to the ecosystem and weight. Natural energy source. Energy is a power of capacity to do work, such a capacity to move an object by the application of the force. Energy can exist in a variety of numbers such as thermal, mechanical, chemical or nuclear, and can be transformed from the one from another. And electrical energy is caused by the movement of electric charges called electrons. Energy is a conserved quantity, and the law of conservation of energy also states that energy can be converted in any form, but it can neither be created nor be destroyed. The world has everything either in the form of energy or matter. Source of energy. Energy is used to power the device we use for heat and light in our homes, for transportation, and for manufacture of all kinds of products. The primary use of the different sources of energy is to produce electricity. All these different sources of energy add to the store to electrical power that is then sent out to different locations via high powered lines. The different source of energy are as follow. In solar energy, it is the energy from the sun that is harnessed using range of the technology such as solar heating, solar architecture, photovoltaic. and artificial photosynthesis. It is an essential source of renewable energy. The mechanism by which silicon solar panel harness the sun energy and the generate electricity is known as photovoltaic effect. Advantage of solar energy: reduces electricity bill, low maintenance cost, technology development. Disadvantage of solar energy: weather development. Solar energy storage is expensive, uses a lot of space. Wind energy is a energy produced through wind. It is the process by which wind is used to generate electricity. Wind turbines convert kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power, and that mechanical power can be utilized for a specific task. Advantages of wind energy: clean and environment friendly fuel sources, cost effective. Disadvantage of wind energy: noise pollution, threat or wildlife function. Fluctuation of wind. Geothermal energy: it is a heat that comes from the surface of earth. It is contained in the rock or fluid beneath the earth crust. The oldest form of geothermal energy is dry steam. It takes out of ground and uses it to directly drive the turbine. Advantage of geothermal energy: high efficiency, little to no geothermal system maintenance. Disadvantage of geothermal energy: high investment cost, location restricted. Tidal energy: it is the form of hydropower that converts the energy obtained from tides into useful forms of power, mainly electricity. Tides are more predictable than the wind and the sun. Advantage of tidal energy: it is the continuous predictive energy, the longevity of the environment. Disadvantage of tidal energy: the impact of EMF emission, high construction cost. Hydroelectric energy: it is the energy derived from movement of water. It has kinetic energy when it moves, which can be harnessed. Basically, it is the electricity produced by hydropower. Advantage of hydroelectric energy: it is reliable and adjustable. It is emission free. It is completely renewable. Disadvantage of hydroelectric energy: higher initial cost, food risk, carbon and methane emission. Biomass energy: it is used of organic material to generate energy. Biomass is just organic matter that is made in nature, like dung, grass clipping, etc. It is renewable source of energy. Advantage of biomass energy: it is carbon neutral. It is renewable source of manufacture. It is less expensive than soil fuels. Disadvantage of biomass energy: it is not entirely clear. Energy generation required a lot of space. It can lead to deforestation. Nuclear power energy: it is the use of nuclear reaction that release under in a nuclear energy to generate heat. This heat is used in steam turbine to produce electricity in the nuclear power plant. Advantage of nuclear power energy: it is less expensive, no greenhouse gases. Disadvantage of nuclear power energy: it harms plant and animal life. It is water pollution. Natural hazards and disaster. Disaster is sudden calamitous event that disrupt the functioning of a community, region, or society, which causes human, material, as well as economic or environmental losses and impact. In contemporary literature, disasters are seen as a result of poor risk management with a respect of environmental hazards and vulnerability. A natural disaster is caused through natural factors or phenomenon that causes injury and loss of human life. The rapid growth of population and increased concentration of human life in a natural environment has intensified the frequency and severity of such disasters. Some other recognized factors are deforestation, climate changes, unplanned growth, unstable landforms, etc. Some of the natural disasters include earthquake. An earthquake is the shifting to earth plates that results in tremors ranging from a few seconds to minutes. Within seconds, mild tremors can turn violent and cause hazardous to human life. An earthquake can be tectonic plate, volcanic volcano collapse, mining and explosion, missing teaching, migration measures in cases to the earthquake should be to shut off utilities and evacuate building. Earthquake resilient building can be effective for law enforcement. Earthquake cyclone. A cyclone is a violent tropical storm, often seen as a group of gusty winds that rotates about the center of low atmospheric pressure, which moves at the speed of 20 or 30 miles. Mitigation measures include following the evacuation, plant gathering, emerging supplies in advance, avoiding driving and walking, etc. Volcano is a rupture of planetary mass object that allow lava, ash, steam, and hot gases to come out. Mitigation measurement include avoiding potential active volcanic regions for building houses, preparing emergency evacuation plans, wearing goggles and sunglasses in case volcanoes are in proximity, staying indoors if ash has not set. Drop. The drop occurs when there is a lack of no rains for an extended period of time, resulting in water shortage, crop damage, depletion of groundwater. It usually takes place slowly and continue over months. Drop full and triggered by deforestation, global warming, by the diverging river migration plans include accurate prediction, monitoring, impact assessment, response in the form of better water management and conservation. Flood. A flood occurs when a river or a large amount of rainfall overflow into dry land. Floods are One of the most common natural disasters in many countries, include India. It is often caused by heavy rainfall, overflowing of man-made dams, tropical cyclone, etc. Migration measures include prediction, monitoring, shutdown of electricity following evacuation plants, etc. Tsunami. The tsunami are caused by the large scale earthquake occurring on the sea floor, causing the surface water to voluntarily move to the land. This can be caused by the underwater landslide as well as mitigation strategy. Tsunami include community preparedness, timely warning, and effective response. Wildfire, jungle की आग. A wildlife can happen in forest, vegetation, hills, etc. Lightning, burning campfire or cigarette, hot winds, and even the sun can ignite the wildlife. Precautionary measures include protecting building area from wildfires, periodic inspection of houses and forest, etc. Landslide. Landslide is the most movement of a mass rock debris on earth down a mountain slope. Mountain slope under the direct influence of gravity. There can be geological, morphological, and physical factors that can cause landslides. Migration strategy include proper inspection and landslide prone area and sharing warning. Mitigation strategy. Environmental Protection Act 1986. The Environmental Protection Act 1960 was enacted in 1989 to implement the decision of the United Nations Conference on Human Environment held at Stockholm in 1972. The main objective of the act was to address the protection and improvement of the environment. This act brings legislation like water prevention and control of pollution. Act 1974, 1974 and Air Preservation and Control Pollution 1981 under one umbrella to establish proper coordination between various state and central authorities. According to the Article 48A and 51A of the Constitution of India, it is the duty of not only the state but also the duty of every citizen to protect the improve the environment, wildlife and forest. National Action Plan of Climate Change. The Combat Climate Change India National Action Plan for Climate Change NAPCC was released on June 30, 2008 to bring various existing plans on water, renewable energy, agriculture, and other to set it into 8 mission. It aims to achieve national growth objective along with the enhancing ecological sustainability that leads to further migration of greenhouse emission. NAPCC endeavor to deploy appropriate technology for both adaptation and migration of greenhouse gases and they promote a sustainable development. NAPCC also plan to extend international cooperation for research, development, sharing and transfer of technology by additional funding. Montreal Protocol, an international treaty initially signed by 46 countries and now nearly 200 countries to abate the problem of ozone depletion was adopted on September 19, 1987. The treaty aims to address the reduction of the production and use of those chemicals that contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer that envelops Earth's atmosphere to protect it from the harmful solar radiation as per the research was done by the Nobel laureate Sherwood Roald in 1917, compounds like chlorofluorocarbon CFCs in the presence of solar radiation produce free caloric radiation. This free radiation then further reacts with the ozone layer, landing depletion. The Rio Summit in 1992, the Earth Summit was held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where there's 150 countries agreed and participated to confront of the problem of greenhouse gases. It was the biggest conference over the held and that addressed the global environmental problem. During the summit, major treaties were signed by on biodiversity, climate change, and forest protection and management. In this summit, the participating countries agreed to commit to sustainable development, the systematic scrutiny of toxic component production, promotion of the usage of non-renewable resources by limiting the use of fossil fuel, improvision of public transport to reduce vehicular emission and the growing scarcity of water. There were the major issues that were discussed in the Earth Summit. Convention of Biodiversity comes into force of December 1993 and its foundation was laid in June 1992 at Earth Summit, the Rio de Janeiro. The secretariat Office of Convention of Biodiversity is located in Montreal, Canada. The main objective of this treaty was to attain sustainable development by achieving conservation and sustainable use of the biodiversity and resources and equitable sharing of benefits. The convention address effective and urgent step to abate the loss of biodiversity to facilitate a resilient ecosystem to secure various forms of life and human welfare by reduction of poverty. This could be achieved by addressing the basic underlying cause of biodiversity loss and sustainable use of these resources. Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol was adopted in December 1997, 1997 in Kyoto, Japan, which was signed by 150 countries. The main target of the protocol was the A target of the protocol was to reduce the greenhouse gas emission as per the protocol. 37 industrialized nations along with the European Union agreed to cut down their greenhouse gas emission, and developing nations were asked to cooperate voluntarily to achieve the target. Reduction of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbon, perfluorocarbon, and sulfur hexafluoride were focused primarily to achieve objective. The protocol proposed international emission trading, allowing participating countries to trade emission reduction credit by investing in emission reduction in other countries. Paris Agreement commenced in December 2015 at Paris, France. With the agreement, all the countries of the world joined their hands together to combat global climate change and adapt to its effects. Assistance to enhance support to developing nation in achieving its goal was also proposed during this agreement. The Paris Agreement aims to save climate change by limiting global warming to 1.5 to below 2 degrees Celsius. International Solar Alliance initiative for International Solar Alliance was launched by India and France during the climate conference in Paris in December 2015. The first summit was held at New Delhi on March 11, 2018. The main objective of the alliance were to reduce the cost of solar energy to meet energy demanding the development countries in order to keep a check on greenhouse gases that are held responsible for global climate change. ISA is the first national international body to have its secretariat office in India. India, being founder and host for the alliance, has committed to producing a 175 GW of electricity from renewable sources. Electricity from renewable sources, out of which 100 GW would be from solar energy by 2022. I hope you found this these explanation helpful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If any have any question, suggestion, please leave a comment. Please like, share, subscribe. Next time, keep learning and stay curious. Subscribe for more educational content.